So this video is intended to help you if you're having problems with cell theory, especially objective 1 with the cell theory in general. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a foldable. You're going to need a piece of paper, scissors, a highlighter to highlight some key terms, and something to write with. So the first thing we're going to do is fold this paper almost halfway down. Okay, and then down here at the bottom where you have this little tab, you're going to write cell theory. And then we're going to cut these into 3 flaps. So for the first part, we're going to write the 3 parts of the cell theory. So the first part is cells are the basic unit of life. Okay. The second part is all cells come from pre-existing cells. And the third part is all living things are made of cells. Okay. So we're going to fill out information underneath this first part, cells are the basic unit of life. You need to know some things that all cells do. So they carry out similar functions to sustain life. And in this one, we're going to highlight sustain. Okay. They are the smallest living thing. They all reproduce. And they all get rid of waste. And here we're going to highlight waste. And also, they all extract or go through photosynthesis. Okay, the next section we're going to do is all cells come from pre-existing cells. This means they must come from other living cells. They have to be alive. And we're going to highlight living here. So we're going to do our third section here. And what we need to remember is only living things are made of cells. Only living things are made of cells. So what that means is all plants, animals, humans, and their parts are made of cells. This also includes funguses and bacteria, are all made of cells. Things that are not living are not made of cells. So, not made of cells. And then keep this in mind, not made of cells are going to be things like air, soil, water, anything that's metal, okay, sunlight. Those are non-living, therefore they are not made of cells. So keeping those in mind, okay? I hope this helps you out. There's one little last tip that I would like to give you. If you can take this and turn it over. So I want you to write this out because it does come up a little bit. I need you to remember that all matter, so looking back from last year, all matter, everything, a solid, liquid, or gas, all matter is made of atoms, but that includes living and non-living things. So we're going to remember that all matter is made of atoms, and then we also need to remember again, only living things are made of cells. So keeping those two things in mind, all matter is made of atoms and only living things are made of cells. So you'll be able to use this foldable, review it if you're having problems with Objective 1, specifically the cell theory. Hopefully this will help you pass that focus area.